Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're checking out two cars from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series from the 2020 NK, so let's dive straight into it. Alright, first up, it's the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Smash a big thumbs up for this car. Car 5 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Trucks series. Man, it is a very cool car. That black is very nice on it, very shiny. We've got the BLOR wheels with the grey on the rims there, very nice decals on the hood, followed onto the side there with the Silverado symbol, as well as some sponsor symbols on the rear of the car there. Very nice. Dark tinted windows, black interior. Take a look. Pretty cool car. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, next up, it's the 91 GMC Syclone, car 3 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Hot Truck Series for 2020. Now, this is the second release of this casting. First, we got it in black, now we have it here in red. I like the chrome wheels on this one, as well as the black interior, but I'm gonna put it out there and say, I like the black one better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is it black or red for you so far? I do like that we've got the Cyclone decal on the side, the rear, we've got some tail light details, very nice. A black base on this one. It's a pretty cool car, but for me, it's definitely the black one. But you know what? Smash a big like for this car anyway.